Action. We're recording. How you going, folks? Back here at the job at the Gabba, and we're just wrapping up. We're about ready to go. It's nearly 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, and it's all down. It's all sitting on stumps. No more styes to brace it. We've got cross braces in. We've got 6 cross braces in. So we've got 2 over there, 2 in that corner, 2 in this corner to hold it. Monday they get a machine underneath the house to start cleaning up and getting ready to put the fill in, and then make it so the bricky can get in, put the bricks in to bring the ground level up. Comes up about 1800 to the slab at the back. So yeah, it's got to come up a bit. But that's where we're at. Tomorrow morning we'll finish doing those blocks on the way to the next, back to the 17 Mile Rocks. But yeah, thought we'd just show you that. So we got it in. Better go down here to show you these braces. Okay, what we've got is so they can adjust. So if they want to move the house over, as always, the 16mm rod should have turnbuckles. Whenever a brace goes in, temporary or not, should have turnbuckles in, because you can't adjust it without turnbuckles. Okay, if you need to pull the house over to make it plumb, bring it up to straight, how can you do that with the brace that's not got turnbuckles? Okay, so unless it's perfectly straight when they put the temporary brace on and it stays that way, very unlikely, because once you release it with the styes, the house starts to move. So you need the turnbuckles on so you can straighten her up. But talk to any engineer, he'll tell you it's got to be turnbuckles on the end. The house should not go down without turnbuckles. Okay, always put turnbuckles on. And make sure when if you get someone doing the work for you and they're doing temporary braces, ask them, please put turnbuckles on so I can adjust it. They'll say, oh no. Just get them to put them on. It costs you an extra $20, it costs you an extra $20, but get the turnbuckles on there. I guarantee it'll make it a lot easier to adjust the post, to adjust the house later on when you try and straighten it up, ready to put the framing in. Okay, I better get helping Frank with those blocks and getting the gear out, because got an appointment I got to get to. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, the like button and the subscribe button, very much appreciated. Talk to you again soon. See yous.